My dad never said you have to be an attorney. He said, do whatever you want, but be the best at what you do, love what you do. My name is Abkarian. I'm the senior partner at Abkarian Associates. We've been practicing for 26 years and mainly concentrate on personal injury and business cases. Every case is personal to me. Nothing is just business. I take it home with me. I understand clients' pains. My main focus is not billable hours. My main focus is what's the fastest way to resolve my client's case. And I think that makes us a better firm because we don't just process cases, we handle cases. Service is everything to us. Our client satisfaction is everything to us. And everyone in my staff knows we drop everything to help our clients when they need us. And that type of a high quality customer service is what separated us in the past 26 years from others. And that's why we're featured in Forbes magazine, featured in Newsweek magazine. But none of those would come if our clients were not satisfied with our services and provide to them.